Yo, what's up, guys? Today we talk about indexing. Indexing is basically getting a variable from a table. A table is basically you type the variable, and then the variable equal to a table. Okay, so we talk about indexing, and we have two different types of indexing: simple indexing and key indexing. So first is simple indexing, which I made this example, where I have a table where I store these informations that basically are fruits. So apple, banana, orange, grape, pear. Okay, and then I run this for loop, which is a while to do. So basically, while to wait 1 second. So basically, forever you wait 1 second, then you choose a causal index doing method random with 1, and then this basically tells the length of the table. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's basically like doing this. But if you want to add more after, you have to stay here and then change. And if you want to add more, you have to do here. You have to do like 7, then 8. Okay, so you just do this and you're like, okay, and you're completely fine forever. And yeah, so it chooses between 1 and the length of the index of the table. And then you choose a fruit with method random. So fruits using causal index. And you do method random. And you print the chosen fruit. Okay. Chosen fruit, and you do and you print and it prints out the chosen fruit. And then you do, if chosen fruit equals orange, then you print U1, and then you return false because you don't want the while to do to continue if you want. Okay, so you can see. Okay, you can see it chooses this grape, then fruit, beer, then orange, and then U1, and then it stops. Okay, so this is causal indexing, and it's basically like doing this. Wait, so let's do it like this. Okay, fruits. If you don't want to use the method random, okay, and if you want to pick something specific, you do fruits and then boom, and you do like do choose causal index. Okay, now it should work. Okay, so you can. Okay, so you just can replace it with 2. It's gonna take the second, which is banana, and then it's gonna print chosen fruit and the chosen fruit, which is banana, because I wanted to take that, but obviously I can take whatever I want. So if I do 3, I'm gonna do orange, orange, orange forever. And this was the first. The first is basically probably the most difficult. This is like probably simpler, I would say. But no, because this can be used like this can be used for not entirely this, but just this can be used to like pets or backpacks, and this too, but this is way more used. And by the way, I just want to say, if you like the video, subscribe and leave a like, because I would appreciate that. So this is key indexing, and we have local numbers, which is a table, and then number 1, which is 1 and 2. Okay. Then we have a local function, add 2 numbers. Local number 1, we take this and then dot number 1, and it's automated, so dot, and it's already there, number 1. And then local number 2, numbers dot number 2. Then result, number 1 plus number 2, print result, and it's 3. Yeah, it's 3. make sure to run the function, because if you don't run a function, obviously you won't output anything, because you don't run the function, so nothing works. Yeah, you can do it in another way too. You could do like this. Prints out 3. Okay, yeah. Because I call this, and basically number 1 equals to this, number 2 equals to this, and then you print out and it's our 3. So this is basically how indexing works. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in another video. Goodbye.